Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your meeting ID in Zoom. So go ahead and click your account on the upper right. And from here, you want to go down to where it says profile and click on my profile. What's going to happen is that you're going to open up your browser here. Let me move it over here so that you can see. It's going to open up a browser window and you will be taken into your profile. Right, so scroll down and you will see a section called meeting. Here is your personal meeting ID, and if you click on edit, if you have a paid account, from here you'll be able to change your meeting ID. And as you can see, it says only paid user can choose a personal meeting ID, and once you have that paid and you're using the paid plan, you'll be able to choose a different meeting ID. And that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you can click on save and you'll be able to change your meeting ID. And so you'll be able to give person that new and unique meeting ID that you have created, that you have changed. And that's it.